Good evening, students. In the last video, we have discussed about the logarithm function of a complex variables. In this, we will go for the how to apply the formula for the complex, which is in the form of a log. In that, we have to separate the real and imaginary part of the complex number. For example, separation of log x plus iy to the base e and log of x plus iy to the base e. For this, we have to take x is equal to in terms of a trigonometric, that is r cos theta, and y is equal to r sin theta, so that x plus iy is equal to r e to the r into cos theta plus I sin theta, that is r into e to the power of I theta formula, where r is equal to root of x square plus y square and theta is equal to tan inverse of y divided by x. Now for log x plus iy to the base e is equal to log r into bracket cos theta plus I sin theta to the base e is equal to log of r e to the power of I theta to the base e. So log r plus, we know the property of log m into n, so that is using that log m plus log n. So m is equal to r and n is equal to e to the power of I theta. So that log of r plus log e to the power of I theta, log and e are base are same, so that is it is equal to I theta, log of r plus I theta. So r value is root of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse, theta value is tan inverse of y divided by x. So that is a log of x root or log of x square plus y square to the base to the power 1 by 2 plus I into tan inverse of y by x. Here the value, the separation, it is real is 1 by 2 times of log e x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y divided by x is the principal value. For the general value, we have to take, it is a capital log of x plus iy, and that is equal to 2n pi I plus log of x plus iy. We know the value of log of x plus y, so that is equal to 2n pi I plus half of log x square plus y square plus I times of tan inverse y divided by x. Separate the value, that is I 1 by 2 times of log x square plus y square plus I times of 2n pi plus tan inverse of y divided by x. In this above, we have to we know that the imaginary part and the real part of the given value of log x plus iy. So real of log x plus iy is equal to real of capital log of x plus iy, that is equal to 1 by 2 times of log x square plus y square. Imaginary part of log x plus iy is equal to tan inverse of y divided by x. Our imaginary part of capital log of x plus y is equal to 2n pi plus tan inverse of y divided by x.